Welcome to Quiz and Quotes, and now we are in the part six of the accounting MCQs, where we are going to discuss the next level of the questions. So, guys, without wasting the time, let's go ahead and discuss the questions. I understand the time is important, so you can chit chat later on. Now, prioritize on the study. So, next question is: the party who is entered to receive the cash of a bill receivable is called. I repeat the question. The party who is entitled to receive the cash of a bill receivable is called A. Drawer, B. Drawee, C. Capitalist, D. Bank. The party who is entitled to receive the cash of a bill receivable is called what? A. Drawer, B. Drawee, C. Capitalist, D. Bank. And the right answer is drawer. Correct? Next question. Discounting charges are. What are discounting charges? Option A, amount of bill discounted into rate into unexpired period. Option B, amount of bill discounted into rate divided by unexpired period. Option C, amount of bill discounted into rate plus unexpired period. Option D, amount of bill discounted plus rate into unexpired period. I repeat, कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस? ए, how do you calculate the discounting charges? A, option A, amount of bill discounted into rate into unexpired period. Option B, amount of bill discounted into rate divided by unexpired period. Option C, amount of bill discounted into rate plus unexpired period. Option D, amount of bill discounted plus rate into unexpired period. Guys, quick, what is the right answer? And the right answer is amount of bill discounted plus rate into unexpired period. Next question. If the due date is public holiday, what will be the due date of the bill? If the due date of the bill is public holiday, what will be the due date of the bill? Option A, preceding day, B, following day, C, same day, D, after 2 days. If the due date is a public holiday, what will be the due date of the bill? Preceding day, following day, same day, cannot be. After 2 days, should not be. The answer is preceding day. Very next day after the holiday. Next question. Fee paid in cash to notary public is charged by A, holder of the bill exchange, B, drawer, C, drawee, D, none. Fee paid in cash to notary public is charged by A, holder of bill of exchange, B, drawee, C, drawer, and none. Holder of bill of exchange is the right answer. Next question. Kamal draws a bill on Sahil for 3,000. Kamal endorsed it to Rohan. Rohan endorsed it to Rakesh. The payee of the bill will be who? Who is the payee of the bill? A, Kamal, B, Rakesh, C, Sahil, D, Rohan. Think. Your time starts now. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the right answer is Sahil. Next question. Noting charges are paid by the dash, but these are recordable from the dash. Noting charges are paid by dash, but these are recordable from the dash. I think it is recoverable from the dash. And the option A, drawer, drawee, drawer, sorry. Option A, drawer, option B, drawee, option C, drawer, option D, drawee. The right answer is drawer. Next question. Person to whom the bill is endorsed is called. Person to whom the bill is endorsed is called A, endorsement, B, endorser, C, endorsee, D, none. Person to whom the bill is endorsed called dash A, endorsement, B, endorser, C, endorsee, D, none. And the right answer is endorser. Clear, guys? Hopefully you have guessed right. Keep on practicing. The more you see, more you learn. Possibly this is the easiest method of testing your knowledge and revising and learning together. So the next question is, what are the parties to a bill of exchange? What are the parties to a bill of exchange? Drawee, drawer, payee. Drawee, drawer, debtor. Payer, drawee, drawer. Drawee, drawer, creditor. Which are the parties? Drawee, drawer, payee. B. Drawee, drawer, debtor. C. Payer, drawee, drawer. D. Drawee, drawer, creditor. Think. And the right answer is drawee, drawer, and payee. Next question. Which bill is not allowed 3 days of grace? Which bill is not allowed 3 days of grace out of these 4 options? Option A, bill at the time of due date, bill at sight, bill after due date, bill before due date. Which bill is not allowed a 3 days grace? Bill at the time of due date, bill at sight, bill after due date, bill before due date. And the answer is bill at sight. In case of bill at sight, the 3 days grace period is not allowed. Next, the purpose of accommodation bill is A, to finance actual purchase. B, when both parties are in need of funds. C, to facilitate trade transmission. D, none. The purpose of accommodation of bill is what? क्या होता है? A, to finance actual purchase when both parties are in the need of funds. To facilitate trade transmission, and none. And the right answer is when the both parties are in need of funds, they help each other by accommodating the bills. This is called accommodation of bill. Next question. It's a period of time after which the bill becomes payable. A, grace days. B, maturity. C, usance. D, tenor. It's a period of time after which a bill becomes payable. A, grace days. B, maturity. C, usance. D, tenor. Answer is tenor. There is the period for which the bill has been drawn. Next, if the drawer is in the need of money, and cannot wait till due date and receive the money from bank is called. What does it call? If the drawer is in the need of money, correct, and cannot wait till the due date, fine, and receive money from the bank is called what? Endorsement of a bill. B, discounting of bill. C, retirement of bill. D, dishonour of bill. Very simple, very common. This is called discounting of bill. That means if the drawer is in need of money and cannot wait till date, it waits to the bank and discounts the bill and gets the money. The bank definitely charges some money as a commission. Right? Next. In case of endorsement of a bill, the endorser debits. In case of endorsement of bill, the endorser debits what? A, creditor account. B, cash account. C, bill receivable account. D, bill payable account. I repeat the question. In case if the endorsement of bill, the endorser debits what? A, creditor account. B, cash account. C, bill receivable account. D, bill payable account. And the right answer is creditor account. Next question. Which of the following is not true? There are 4 options which are not true. Option A, there is no difference in appearance between trade and accommodation bill. B, the bill of exchange must be accepted. C, drawee is maker of a bill. D, accommodation bill is for an imaginary transaction. Which is not true? I repeat the options. There is no difference in appearance between trade and accommodation bills. B, a bill of exchange must be accepted. C, the drawee is maker of bill. D, accommodation bill is for an imaginary transaction. And the right answer is drawee is the maker of the bill. Drawer is not the maker of the bill. The drawer is the maker of the bill. Next, let's go ahead. Hope you are enjoying. Please give your comments on the comment box, how you are feeling, how you are learning, whether you're enjoying or not enjoying. You can give your suggestion for the further improvements. So we'll take care of it. Now, next question. When an acceptor refuses to pay the bill of, when an acceptor refuses to pay the amount of bill to the holder of the bill on its maturity is called, I repeat the question, when an acceptor refuses to pay the amount of bill to the holder of bill on its maturity is called A. Honored bill, B. Dishonored bill, C. Retired bill, D. Endorsed bill. And the right answer is dishonored bill. Next question. A bill of exchange is an, क्या होता है bill of exchange? A bill of exchange is an A. A promise, B. Unconditional order, C. A request, D. An order. What is the right answer, guys? Quickly. A bill of exchange is an, what is this? Is it a promise or is it unconditional order or it's a request or an order? And the right answer is unconditional order. Next question. A person who writes out the order to pay is called. A person who writes out the order to pay is called A. Drawer, B. Acceptor, C. Payee, D. Drawee. The person who writes out the order to pay is called A. Drawer, B. Acceptor, C. Payee, D. Drawee. And the right answer is drawer. Drawer is the person who writes out the order to pay, right? Next. When a drawer discounts a bill, what he gets? When a drawer discounts the bill, what he gets? Option A, more than face value, B, less than face value, C, equal to face value, D, none of this. How somebody can get the more than the face value? Then who will give the free? So, it is always the less of the face value. Now, in case of a term bill, extra 3 days are given to acceptor are called. In case of term bill, a periodic bill, extra 3 days given to the acceptor are called what? A. Days of bills payable, days of bill receivable, C. Days of grace, and D. Days of tenor. The extra 3 days given, and the simple is the date of grace, days of grace, right? Next question quickly. How many parties are involved in case of discounting of a bill? How many parties are involved in case of discounting of a bill? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, and option D unlimited. How many parties are involved in the case of discounting of bill? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D unlimited. And the right answer is 2. Let's go ahead. Sit. We finished our list of 20-25 questions. So it's now gift time. I request please go to the description box and see there is a gift awaiting for you. I'm not going to tell anything about that. Go, click it, go to the site. You'll get an amazing gift for yourself, which can turn around your career or life, thinking a full lot of opportunities, which can give you a handsome earning. The amount written here, 5 to 10 lakhs, maybe very short amount for that if you rightfully pursue it. And apart from money, you don't know how much good things you're going to learn. So go there, fill the form, explore it to the maximum possible. Let me know any question. You can connect me through the email or by WhatsApp number. I'll definitely going to answer a question and help you to achieve your goal. And finally, lot of many people are struggling for the success. So please share this videos link to all of your friends, all of the students who are targeting their success, and help them to grow. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Best of luck. God bless you.